How to make a glass bridge game in Roblox Studio. Build a glass bridge, design a bridge as desired, and have 2 parallel glass panels on each side. To create a glass bridge game, we will focus on the glass panels, name them panel, and number them in order. Each pair of panels should represent one step. Group all the glass panels together and name the glass bridge. Add a script in server script service. Writing the script. This script identifies pairs of panels on the bridge and randomly determines which panel in each pair is breakable. Organizes the panels into pairs, finds panel even and odd. If both panels exist, adds them as a pair to the pairs table. Assigns the breakable attribute to one random panel in each pair. Randomly selects one panel in the pair. Sets the breakable attribute of the selected panel to true, marking it as the panel that will break during the game. Add a script to a workspace. Writing the script. This script checks if the panels in the bridge are breakable, and when someone steps on them, the script performs various actions. Verifies if the humanoid exists in the character to confirm that a player is touching the panel. When a player steps on a breakable panel, makes the panel disappear, sets the transparency to 1, sets can collide to false so players can fall through, introduces a small delay, reduces the player's health to 0. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.